Welcome to the breaking news of National Pingdong University and Science and Technology. In the beginning, we have the latest news.
Yes, it's a tradition about the content of being in the university. The most popular thing is from the Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Everybody are excited in front of the stage.
Okay, in the field, we can see the wonderful performance from mechanical engineering.
帅哥，帅哥，帅哥！超强的！哦，大象很跳哦。跳，
Could you show us something interesting?
Of course. 这是什么？大风景多山，长修路，轩王，巍峨的雪之林，走向这姑娘，你的动作散漫又流年，我会改变你的前途，要成为男子汉，人族。
Thanks for the schoolmate bringing this good exhibition. Now we are going to change the shoot back to indoors.
Wow, it's really perfect. Respect the context. We should care about the traffic. National Pingdong University of Science and Technology is the largest school in Taiwan. Because of this reason, students go to class by scooters.
Yes, the traffic accident happened easily. At school in Hampside, the traffic guidance to keep students sequence. The regulations must be followed obviously and ride carefully. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.